Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Prep World. Now, in the past videos, I have taught you about IELTS, how to improve your writing section and how to score really well in your speaking sections. From this video onwards, we will make sure that you are also top-notch in your grammar section. So, welcome to the series Grammar Made Easy, where I am going to tell you certain lessons, I'm going to teach you certain lessons wherein I will make grammar really easy for you through different tips, tricks, abbreviations and patterns. So let's start with that. Today we are tackling the most simple and the most important foundation stone of English language grammar, that is your nouns. Now, you must think that you all know nouns or they are very easy, but hold on. I promise you that by the end of this video, you will get to know a lot about nouns. You will be able to find them instantly and you will never get confused with respect to nouns in your entire life. So stay tuned till the last and let us dive deep into the lessons. Now first thing, what is a noun? A noun is a naming word. For example, if you are naming a person, place, thing, feeling, etc., they are all nouns. But how to identify them? So here is the trick number 1 for you. If you can put a and the before any word, congratulations, you have a noun with you. For example, the car, an ear, a teacher. Now, instead of memorizing nouns, always try to find the nouns or spot them by using this trick. Did you know that nouns also come in types? Now, here's another small trick for you to remember what are the different types of nouns. And that is the 5-finger rule. There are 5 types of nouns and you have to remember them correctly. The first one is going to be your proper noun, or I must say the VIP names. Now any names which are proper, for example, names of days, months, any person's name, for example, Ram, Sham, Dipali, Vikas, any of these, they are all known as proper nouns. Even the specific names of people, place or things are also considered as proper nouns. For example, Google, Amazon, New York, India, Argentina, they are all proper nouns. Now here is an important note that you have to always remember. Proper nouns always start with a capital letter. Irrespective of wherever they are coming in between a sentence, in the start or in the end, a proper noun will always start with a capital letter. The second type of noun, common nouns. As the word suggests, common nouns are what? The common things around us. For example, a boy, girls, student, or you can say trees, leaves. They are all what? Common nouns. They are not identifying a specific person, place or thing. Now, the third type of noun, collective noun. Again, as the name suggests, collective noun means it is a collection of something. For example, herd, a collection of cows. Class, a collection of students. Team, a collection of players. Family, a collection of people. Anything that is being collectively addressed is your collective noun. The next is your abstract nouns. Now, abstract nouns are what? Something that you cannot hold or touch. They are those nouns which you can feel. For example, love, happiness, anger. So always remember that whenever you are addressing any feeling, you are addressing to abstract nouns. Now, the fifth type of noun is going to be your material noun. Material noun, as the name suggests, any material, gold, silver, copper, anything like that, they are all plastic. They are all your what? Material noun. Now, let me give you a quick trick or a tip to understand the difference between countable nouns and uncountable nouns. This rule is known as a cat rule. For example, if you can put a in front of any word, it means those are countable nouns. For example, a cat, a book. You cannot say a water or a furniture. Now, in this thing, furniture or water are what? Uncountable nouns. So make sure you remember this rule to understand the difference between countable and uncountable nouns. Also, remember the 5-finger rules, wherein you will be remembering all the nouns through that. And also a and the rule, wherein you will be able to spot the noun or identify them in a sentence. And just like that, you have mastered nouns with certain tips and tricks. Make sure you watch all the videos that we will be posting in the coming days so that you master your grammar with certain easy tips and tricks. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe to our channel and keep watching videos on Prep World.